Hello Shemai, my name is Reem. I am an apprentice at the BBC and I'm doing my qualifications with Skill Cymru. I'm doing a production, a fast track scheme. A bit about myself, I moved to the UK when I was 10. I couldn't speak one word of English. The only person I could speak English in my family was my dad. So I had to navigate being in a new city and also learn a new culture and not just one new language, try and learn a second language as well, which I was never very good at actually. I've always loved the creative industry and mainly music. Music was the thing that sort of enticed me the most. Anytime I was listening to music around musicians, I was just very beady-eyed and really wanted to absorb it and take it all in. I always felt like that was never a career choice for me. It was just this big, unachievable sort of dream. The thing that I always struggled with was sort of seeing myself in the industry and someone like me that sort of made it, and I never sort of had that. So I just threw myself at the deep end and I thought, what is there to lose? And I applied for the BBC apprenticeship last year, and yeah, I got it, and now I'm living my absolute dream, I guess. I found myself encountering a lot of barriers when it came to me trying to do something creative as a passion and a career. Don't be disheartened if someone doesn't give you a chance. You just have to keep going and really believe truly in yourself deep down that what you want in life, and because you know, everything is at reach for everyone. You just got to go for it. Skill Cymru are my trainers. This is where I train in the Serin Studios. They have been absolutely amazing. Skill also run crew apprenticeships, which is very similar to mine, but it's not BBC based. It's based on various different productions. You can do things from makeup to transport to like loads of things within the industry, drama, radio. They've got it all basically. I come from a low-income family, and one thing Skill Cymru has done for me is they've been really supporting me with trying to help me get funding to learn to drive, a bursary to learn to drive, because it's very difficult. It's almost near impossible to be in this industry if you can't drive. Knowing that you have that support makes you feel like not like you're lesser than, like you can do this, you really can do this, and people really want you to succeed. So check them out. You should definitely go for it. No matter what, no matter who, just know that you can do it, and with the right help, you can get there.